Hello guys, so in this problem what we need to do is we need to find the tallest candle on a birthday cake. Okay, so this is interesting. Okay, so we will be given a list of candles and the height of it, and then from that height we will need to find out what's the tallest of it, and then we will need to calculate it. Okay, so how many candles are there? So to do that, what we can do is, so we will simply use return, so we don't need much of that, so we just use max. Okay, so max from the candles, and then after we get the max of it, right, so what we need to do after that is we need to count it. Okay, so I'm not sure if that is there or not in list, but Jai Mata Di. Right, okay, it does not work. So what is there in list? Count. Let's just search quickly. Count in list program is right, so there should be a method. Okay, count is there, so it's a universal count, is it? Okay, numbers dot count, and then we do that. Okay, great, that's what I was thinking as well. So from this candles dot count method, and since we already have the max of it, right, so this should work. If it did not work, what the hell, you made a syntax error? How come? How come? So max is what, it gives us a list or what? That's what I did, right? So count is that, 2 is 3, okay. And what does this give out? Man, max. It should give out something. It should give out something. So let's just run this. Uh, let's do print max numbers, right? So this should give out executed successfully 11. Okay, that's what I did. All right, max is there, count is there, candles. So when there is no type hinting, that's what we get, right? That's what happens. Okay, that was the solution, elegant solution, right? So let's submit the code. Now let's look at other people's solution as well. So let's check the solutions. Should not be far off. Okay, another person did something similar. Lot of them. Okay, what is this? Count dot. Okay, that's a big space over here. Okay, very much similar. Okay, that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care.